When I think back to the best camping memories from growing up, almost every single one happened in a camper with canvas pop-outs. There was just something about hearing the outdoors at night, feeling the breeze move through the camper, and waking up surrounded by nature that made every trip unforgettable. And honestly, this camper brings all of that feeling back, while still giving you many of the modern features people want in a hard-sided travel trailer today. Welcome back to another tour here on R-Venture Life. Today, we're taking a closer look at a family camper that blends classic camping vibes with modern comfort in one incredibly smart layout. This layout is designed perfectly for families because it combines comfort, space, and simplicity in a way that just works. You get the open sleeping setup people love in a pop-up style camper, but you also get the convenience and structure of a regular travel trailer. And that balance is exactly why this type of camper stands out so much. As soon as you walk around the outside, the first thing you notice is the combination of hard walls and canvas sleeping areas. The pop-out sections are incredibly easy to use compared to traditional pop-up campers. Instead of dealing with a long setup process, these sections fold down quickly and lock into place with very little effort. That makes arriving at camp and packing up so much easier, especially for families traveling with kids. The canvas sections also have large screened windows that allow fresh air to move through the camper from multiple directions. During the day, you get natural light and great outdoor views, and at night you can actually hear the sounds of nature around you. That experience is something you simply don't get the same way inside a fully enclosed hard-wall camper. Another thing that really makes this camper impressive is the amount of sleeping space it provides. Every bed area is large enough for two people comfortably, and the mattresses sit on solid platforms that feel stable and supportive. Each sleeping section also has LED lighting, charging ports, nearby outlets, and privacy curtains, so everyone has their own comfortable space. The storage throughout the camper is also surprisingly good for this size. There are cabinets above the beds, storage underneath seating areas, and additional compartments spread throughout the interior. It feels designed for real family travel instead of just weekend use. One major advantage here is the bathroom setup. Unlike older-style pop-up campers that usually had tiny or inconvenient bathrooms, this one gives you a full bathroom that stays permanently in place. You get a real shower with a glass door, good headroom, a large vent fan, storage cabinets, and a foot-flush toilet. The shower system also includes a water recirculation feature that helps conserve water while waiting for it to warm up. Instead of wasting fresh water and filling your gray tank unnecessarily, the system cycles the water until it reaches temperature. That's a feature that becomes incredibly useful during longer camping trips. Moving into the kitchen area, the camper feels much more like a traditional travel trailer. You get a large sink, solid countertop space, a 3-burner stove, an oven, overhead storage, and a refrigerator that opens from either side. Everything feels organized and practical for cooking meals while traveling. The overall construction quality also stands out. There's aluminum framing used throughout multiple sections of the camper, including areas where many other campers would normally use wood framing. That adds durability while also helping reduce weight. The finishes throughout the interior look clean and modern, and the camper feels solid as you move around inside. Another huge benefit is the amount of floor space. Because of the slide-out design, the center of the camper stays very open. Families traveling with children, pets, or extra gear will appreciate how much room there is to move around comfortably. The seating area also converts into additional sleeping space, giving the camper even more flexibility for larger families. Climate control is another area where this camper performs extremely well. It includes dual air conditioning units while still operating on a 30-amp connection. That's impressive because many campers this size either only offer one AC or require a larger power setup. Having two AC units makes a major difference during warmer weather, especially with canvas sections that naturally allow more outside temperatures to affect the interior. The ducted air system also helps distribute airflow evenly throughout the camper, making the inside feel more comfortable no matter where you are sitting or sleeping. Outside, you get useful camping features including an awning that stretches across most of the camper, exterior storage compartments, propane connections, outdoor utility hookups, and mounting space for outdoor accessories. There's also solar equipment installed on the roof to help support off-grid camping setups. One thing people should always remember with any camper is the importance of roof maintenance. Checking seals regularly and making sure there are no cracks or weak points is one of the best ways to prevent future water damage. Staying consistent with that maintenance can make a huge difference over the life of an RV. Overall, this camper does an incredible job blending the best parts of traditional camping with the comfort of a modern travel trailer. You still get that outdoor camping atmosphere that makes trips feel special, but you also get practical features that make traveling easier and more comfortable for the entire family. For anyone who loves the feeling of real camping but still wants modern convenience, this layout makes a lot of sense. It gives you spacious sleeping areas, excellent airflow, strong construction quality, practical family features, and a setup process that's far simpler than older pop-up campers. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure you subscribe to R-Venture Life for more RV walkthroughs, camping setups, and travel trailer tours coming soon. And until next time, keep exploring and enjoy the adventure.